Hey guys, me again, Dario from the Woxo team. Let's go and see this question for Marcel Christie. He just asked, anybody have a good example of a news updates video made with Woxo? He shared the website that is working on, this cool website with local news and events. Thank you, Marcel, for sharing it with us and giving us permission to share it in the community. So what Marcel wants to do is just trying to create dynamic videos every time that a new news pop-ups here, right? So he shared with us the RSS feed of the website. So for this example, I'm gonna be using Zapier, cool, and the end result is gonna be something like this guy, okay? So I'm gonna be trying to create this video. I'm gonna put it there, music, okay? Don't worry, in our staging environment, we have a way to just add random music, and that's it. So let's go to the source. So in Zapier they have a trigger, and I just pick the new item in feed trigger, okay? So every time that the new item got in this beautiful feed, right, the trigger is gonna trigger, right? So, and it's gonna return something like this, like the title of the article, the link, the date, right, and some description. So what I'm gonna do is using all that information to create a video dynamically from that, okay? So let's do it. This is the first step. You need to connect your feed, it's just copying and pasting this URL here, and that's it. Zapier or the other tool is gonna do the work, okay? So the next one I just added, because I just added this here to format the date, right? Because in the feed the date is like this. So in here what I'm just saying is that, hey Zapier, just transform this beautiful guy in something like this, just like that. The next step is gonna do a custom request to the Woxo API, right? So in Public they have the integration native, okay, but in Zapier we have an integration for the triggers but not for the actions. But right now what you need to do with Zapier is just create a custom request using our API, and here is some information. I'm gonna give you a link to an article, and I'm gonna create really quick with all this data. And here, see how I'm working with that. I'm saying the media is Tahoe, the title is gonna be Reno local news, the date, I'm gonna use the date formatted, and then I'm gonna use the title and description from the feed. The rest of the parameters are gonna be the shape of the video, the text style of that thing, right? So in our next deployment you're gonna be able to do something random, okay? So in that way your automations are gonna look less automated and more custom and things like that, okay? So this is this part. Just do a request to the Woxo API, and then Woxo is gonna return the code, which is very important. Here you do the delay for 3 minutes, just waiting for the API to work, okay? And after that you just using this little pretty baby here, this code, you are just gonna get a setup action. It's gonna return this, okay? So after it gets done, Woxo API is gonna give you a lot of. In all this data, you're gonna find like the landing page for the video, the URL, thumbnails, and the important one is gonna be this one. Like here is the final video with all the data. The final part, guys, is like after you have the video, you can post it wherever you want. You can send it to Drive, YouTube, you can post it on Instagram. I just took Facebook because the last person that worked it just like set it up for me, and I don't have to like set it up again. But don't tell them, okay? Thank you so much. It's a long video. All designers are gonna cut it. I'm gonna put it in YouTube, but I'm gonna share it with you like the routing. Thank you guys. Thank you. Have a good night or day. Every time that a new video, like a new article, to flow like about like I love like this is the part of my job that I enjoy the most. The edition thing is gonna cut this part, okay?